making basil pesto. So in here we had basil, extra virgin olive oil, and then we have Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper only because the one who will use this has an allergy. So this is connected to harvest planting time because this is harvest time. This was harvested from our garden. So let's pause it now and blend.